Case law of administrative law. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that principle of natural justice are applicable to administrative proceeding? A.K. Kripika versus Union of India. Which of the following statement is correct? General Medical Council versus Spokesman is about irrelevancy of principle of natural justice. If in reaching a decision the principle make no difference. What is the principle laid down by the Supreme Court in A.K. Kiripik versus Union of India? Principle of natural justice are applicable to administrative proceeding. In which of the following cases doctrine of necessity was applied by Supreme Court? Election Commissioner of India versus D. Subramaniam Swamy or Ashok Kumar Yadav versus State of Haryana. In which of the following case Supreme Court of India made reference to the legitimate expectation to review the administrative action? State of Kerala versus K.G. Madhavan Pillai. Discretion when applied to the Court of Justice means sound discretion guided by law. It must be governed by rule, not by humor. It must not be arbitrary, vague, and fanciful, but legal and regular. This observation was made in Reliance Airport Developers Private Limited versus Airport Authority of India. In which of the following case Supreme Court had made it explicit that even when the authority has statutory power to take action without hearing, it would be arbitrary to take action without hearing, thus violate Article 14 of the Constitution. H.L. Trihan versus Union of India. In which of the following case underwritten quotation is taken from principle of natural justice must be read into the provision of law? State of UP versus Vijay Kumar Tripathi. Writ of certiorari can be issued to quash action which are administrative in nature. Our principle was laid down in A.K. Kripik versus Union of India. In which of the following case Supreme Court ruled that when the selection process consists of only viva vocal test without any written examination, no limit need to impose on prescribing marks for the interview? AP State Finance Corporation versus CM Ashok Raju. In which of the following case Supreme Court held that Ordi Alteram Partem rule is essence in force of the equality clause of Article 14 and it is applicable not only to the quasi-judicial body but also to the administrative order adversely affecting the party in the question? Delhi Transport Corporation versus DTC Mazdoor Union. A statutory body conducting of examination not serving the provider does not offer service to candidate whole conducting an examination was held by Supreme Court in the case of Bihar School Examination Board versus Suresh Prasad Sinha 2009. Decision making process of the authorities beside being transparent must result in reasoned conclusion which is reflecting of the due application of mind to diverse concern arising from the project such as the present. This had been observed regarding the environmental impact assessment law in which of the following case Gram Panchayat Navlakha Ambar versus Union of India. In which case it was held that authority which embark upon the post decision hearing will be natural proceed with the closed mind and there is hardly any chance of getting a proper consideration of representation at such a post decision opportunity. H.L. Trihan versus Union of India 1989. In which case it was observed that dividing line between the administrative power and the quasi-judicial power is quite thin and it being gradually obliterated. A.K. Kripak versus Union of India, AI 1970. In which of the following case did the Supreme Court hold the Wednesbury rule was applicable to administrative action? Indian Railway Construction Company Limited versus Ajay Kumar 2003. The principle of post-decisional hearing was not followed. Tata Oil Miles versus Union of India. A.K. Kripak versus Union of India, personal bias. Mayank Lal versus Dr. Premchand, pecuniary biased. Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India, reasonable opportunity of hearing. Olga Tellis versus Bombay Municipal Corporation, post-decision hearing. There is no rigid formula for principle of natural justice, Union of India versus P.K. Roy. Choice of application of rule of natural justice, R.S. Das versus Union of India. Justice should not be only done, but is manifestly, undoubtedly to be seen and to be done. R versus Susek justice. Meaning of bias, Secretary of Government Transport Department versus Munnu Swami. Ram Java Kapoor versus State of Punjab, doctrine of separation of power. Menaka Gandhi versus Union of India, doctrine of post-decisional hearing. Vinit Narayan versus Union of India, doctrine of public accountability. Union of India versus Hindustan Development Corporation, doctrine of legitimate expectation. Canara Bank versus V.K. Asthava, post-decisional hearing. Gulpalli Nagaswamy Rao versus AP State Road Transport Corporation. One who decide must be here. Swadeshi Cotton Mills Union versus Swadeshi Cotton Mills versus Union of India. Exclusion of rule of hearing, A.K. Kripak versus Union of India. Duty to act fairly in administrative function as well. Harinath Misra versus Rajendra Medical College. Principle of natural justice can be exempted from the security of girl student, and girls would be testifying in the absence of miscreants. Bharat Ram versus State of HP. Inquiry was violated as a class 4 employee to defend himself against the officer, hence denial of principle of natural justice. A.K. Roy versus Union of India. Principle of natural justice are not rigid norms of unchanging context. They have been tailored to suit the nature of the proceeding. H.L. Teran versus Union of India. No deprivation of existing right enjoy government servant without giving him opportunity to being heard. A.K. Kripak versus Union of India, rule of personal bias. Gullapalli Nageswar Rao versus APSRT, rule of official bias. State of Orissa versus Beena Pani Devi, rule of hearing. Mahapatra and Company versus State of Orissa, rule of pecuniary bias. Krishna Bus Service Limited versus State of Haryana, personal bias. Manak Lal versus Dr. Premchand, pecuniary bias. G. Nageswar Rao versus APSRTC, subject matter bias. Jija Boy versus Collector, departmental bias. Dadayo versus State of Uttar Pradesh, res judicata. Monith Ispat and Energy Limited versus Union of India, legitimate expectation. Motilal Padmapat Sugar Miles versus State of UP, promissory estoppel. SP Gupta versus Union of India, locus standi.